Today we'll be going over 4 common mistakes we tend to see users make when using our XOGO Manager app. First is relating to file types. Our Manager app will support all file uploads to the library, but most players are limited to certain file types. So when uploading images, be sure to upload either JPEGs or PNGs, and for videos, either MOVs or MP4s. The second mistake is when creating a URL asset, we sometimes see double HTTPs. When you paste in your URL here, you want to be sure that you delete the HTTPS part before saving. This dropdown on the left here will allow you to select the correct option for your web address. And if we leave the HTTPS part in, the URL asset will not display properly on our player. Next, if we notice that an asset isn't displaying in our playlist, be sure to check the durations of each asset in that playlist. If the duration by mistake got set to 0, the asset will not be visible. If you do find an asset without a duration set, click on the drop-down and select an option or use custom duration. Lastly, the final mistake we often see is entering the wrong pin code. Lowercase L's and the number 1 look very similar, as well as a capital O and the number 0. For this reason, we have a guide below the pin code letting you know what each letter or number is to help prevent confusion. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please be sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one.